App revenue reached $60 billion in 2017, Travis Kalanick is selling 29% of his Uber shares, and GoPro cuts 200 to 300 jobs. It's Friday, January 5th, and this is Crunch Report. What up, everybody? Happy Friday! We're getting ready for CES next week, so look out for that coverage coming straight to your face. Here's the news. According to a new report from Sensor Tower, which measures revenue across both Apple's App Store and Google Play, global app revenue climbed 35% in 2017 to reach nearly $60 billion. However, Apple is the one pulling in the most revenue, the report found, at nearly double that of Google Play. Specifically, Sensor Tower pegged App Store revenue at $38.5 billion last year, compared with an estimated $20.1 billion spent on Google Play. That's a 34.7% growth over 2016 for the App Store, compared with 34.2% growth for Google Play. Combined, the two app marketplaces totaled $58.7 billion in 2017, up around 35% from 2016's total of $43.5 billion. We sure do love them apps. According to a story from Bloomberg, former CEO of Uber, Travis Kalanick, plans to sell nearly a third of his shares in the company. The transaction would be part of the tender offer in which SoftBank Group agreed to buy shares in Uber, valuing it at $48 billion, a huge discount from its last fundraising valuation. Kalanick is looking to sell 29% of his stake. That would make it about a $1.4 billion chunk. Bloomberg sources say he originally wanted to offer up to half of his Uber stake, but couldn't because of limits in the tender offer agreement. GoPro is a company I actually like. Every time I hear a story like this one, it hurts a little bit inside. GoPro is in the process of laying off around 200 to 300 employees this week, TechCrunch has learned from sources close to the company. The hits to the company were largely concentrated in its aerial division, the segment of the company responsible for its Karma drone. In a letter to impacted employees, GoPro explained, "These cuts are part of a larger restructuring to better align our resources with business requirements." The company had one of its worst years in 2016. GoPro let 100 people go from its entertainment division in late 2016, then an additional 270 jobs were eliminated in March of 2017. The company's earnings seemed to improve in Q2 of 2017, appearing to indicate that its decision to tighten its belt and streamline its focus had worked. It seems, however, that the rebound wasn't enough to right the ship completely. That's the report for today. Hit that like or love button, share this video, and keep raging Crunch Reports every weekday at 7 p.m. Eastern, 4 p.m. Pacific on TechCrunch.com. Also find us on iTunes and on YouTube. All right, I look forward to seeing you all at CES all of next week. Let's all have a good time. Peace.